When the gods fell silent, the world did not collapse. It waited.
For the first time in history, nothing answered back. And into that silence, something had to step.
Not monsters, not demons, but power.
The empire did not rise screaming. It rose explaining itself. Without prophecy, order needed structure. Law replaced fate. And law does not hesitate. Some cities joined willingly. Others learned the cost of refusal. They called it freedom.
The empire called it instability.
We deserve!
The elves learned the truth too late. Immortality had been borrowed.
When eternity ended, fear began. And even the ancient can turn cruel when time starts chasing them.
The age of legends did not end. It was repurposed.
Power no longer feared myth. It trained it.
Magic, once sacred, became a resource.
And resources always resist extraction.
War no longer needed a story.
Choice did not make enemies clearer.
It only made death faster.
And silence learned new shapes.
Some tried to understand what freedom had awakened.
They were answered with fire.
There were no gods left to blame. Only decisions. Something had been waiting, long before gods learned language. It did not think in good or evil.
It corrected imbalance.
And it did so quietly.
The world had always been watched, just not by gods. The gods were not creators. They were restraints.
No one was coming.
So mortals stood together, not in hope, but in refusal.
Hold!
For the first time, they fought without fate!
And for the first time, failure had no excuse.
It was learning from us.
Freedom does not make us wise.
Freedom did not save them. It only removed restraint.
And the world learned something new.
before gods.
There was no meaning.
No purpose. One choice changed everything.
The gods were not creators.
They were guards.
Failure was expected. Aereth was not unique.
It was patient. And now, it understands us. Only consequences. This time, there will be no silence.